I'm going to show you 7 ways on how to cleanse your crystals. These are all super easy. I do them at home. Some of them require a few objects that I happen to have laying around the house. If you don't have them lying around, no need to go out and spend money. We all know you've been spending too much on Amazon. But one of them uses a singing bowl, and if you don't have a singing bowl, you should really get one because they're amazing and therapeutic, and yeah. I post weekly videos on like DIY, natural living, inspiration, and a few other things, so check out my channel.
The first method is to put your crystals on top of sea salt. I happen to have this lavender purple sea salt. Regular sea salt will be just fine. It doesn't have to be a bowl, it can be a plate or any surface, and just lay them on top and leave them overnight. And then the next morning, when they are cleansed, you could take out your crystals and then put the remaining sea salt on the windowsill so that the sun absorbs the negative energy and you can reuse the sea salts again instead of wasting them. The next method is the sound healing singing bowl method. A lot of people have a ton of crystals and big ones, and it's very annoying to move the crystals around. So sound healing is an option for you if you have a ton of crystals, and even if you have little crystals. Sound healing is a perfect and easy way to cleanse your crystals. Putting your crystals under running water for 30 seconds. Be careful that your crystal isn't supposed to be in the water. Just do a quick Google search and see if yours is okay to get wet. What's even better is if you have a natural body of water to dunk your crystals in, like a beach, a creek, or a lake. The next is to visualize. Just put the crystal in your hand if it's small enough and imagine a white, radiant light. Visualization is a powerful thing. Not only does your phone need to go in rice during crisis, but also your stones. Black tourmaline needs to be in rice, and other protective stones are great in rice, and leave that for 24 hours. My favorite is the full moon. Just put your stones out on the full moon and make sure you get them before the full sun is out, because the sun can damage certain crystals. Obviously, you can only do this once a month, so you have to plan a little bit ahead for this method. You don't have to put them outside, you could just put them on your windowsill as well.